may mga sightings, may report na dumadating sa headquarters ng West Bengal na gumagala yung Jordanian with his crew from one camp to the other. Sa Abu Sayyaf camp po ng MNLF. So, with that, you can easily deduce na hindi siya bihag. Ngayon, yung aming binibigay sa inyo are operational reports. Ibig sabihin, coming from our troops on the ground.
So, meaning standby po ang ating tropa, walang search and rescue.
Standby ang ating tropa, we are ready to move anytime. We are monitoring, we know exactly where they are, where he's moving. So, kung sabihin na i-rescue, then we will do our part.
Sino po magbibigay ng signal for the rescue? Crisis Management Committee?
Well, may crisis management committee headed by the local government. No? So, kung anong desisyon ng crisis management committee, yun ang i-undertake ng